Top project engineer skills. Curious about the project engineering profession? Want to know if it is the right career for you? Looking for the right certification for yourself? If your answer to any of the previously mentioned questions is yes, you have come to the right place. But before knowing about the benefits and skills of the project engineering profession, let us know if you are suitable for this profession.
But before we start moving forward, make sure to subscribe channel and click on the bell icon. Sprintzeal provides training programs, certification programs on their websites. If you're interested in them, do check out the links in the description.
Responsibilities of a project engineer. The project engineering profession provides the individual with a rewarding wage, as it is one of the in-demand professions today. If you want to become a project engineer, you have to finish your bachelor's degree in either business management or engineering management. Some of the responsibilities of a project engineer are given below. They would help you understand what types of problems you have to deal with as a project engineer. Having a few certifications related to business management would be helpful for your career as a project engineer. The certifications related to project engineering or any related profession will help as well. Make sure you are aware of the skills required for the profession you choose in the end. Skills of a project engineer. Every profession has its related skills that might be similar or different from other professions. Likewise, for a project engineer, there are some key skills and other secondary skills that should be present in a good project engineer. Let us go through different skills that should be present in an ideal project engineer. Requirements analysis. The project engineer is responsible for the resources required for the project. He should be able to analyze the required quantity and quality of resources needed for the completion of the project, making sure that they have the right placement of resources for various tasks involved in the completion of the project. Design skills. The project engineer should have a mastery of the fundamentals of designing. They should be able to add, remove, or modify the designs of the elements of the project. He should be able to supervise the design team and should know how to work with the designing software. Project management. He should be able to follow and guide others to follow the best project management practices. He should take care of the teams under him, the project stakeholders, and the clients, for which he should be an expert in project management fundamentals. Manufacturing methods and procedures. A project engineer would know of all the technical procedures and terms associated with the project, so that he can ensure that there are no defects in the manufacturing methods and processes. Mathematical modeling. Among all of the project engineer skills, the knowledge of mathematical models and the associated programs is a must. He would be able to predict and modify the project's direction. Decision-making. As one of the leaders of the project, a project engineer takes all the hefty decisions related to the project. The project engineer should be someone who takes right decisions at the right time. His decisions should be precise and accurate so that the project can run smoothly despite the obstacles they might face during its progress. Secondary skills required. Process improvement. For a project engineer, it is not just about logic and reasoning. He should also be able to use his creativity to improve the process and procedures related to the project. Documentation skills. He should be able to keep a track of the progress of the project and its phases. Team's progress should also be documented, so the project manager would assign team leaders who take care of their own team. Supervision. The project engineer should be able to watch over all the teams and their progress related to the project. These were some of the secondary skills required by the project engineer to successfully complete a project. It would be helpful if you are armed with a few business management related certifications. Salary of a project engineer. The salary of project engineers ranges from 58,000 to 98,000. The salary of a project engineer increases with experience. A junior project engineer receives the minimum salary, while a senior project engineer receives the maximum possible salary.
Hope you found this video informative and useful. We'll always bring new concepts explained for you, so stay tuned with Sprintzeal, and if you like the video, do share. If have any doubts or queries, do let us know in the comment section. Use the coupon code YouTube10 in our website to get 10% off on all our courses.